Hey everyone, panic in the dev world is incredibly high right now, isn't it? I mean, everyone is literally staring at their IDEs, wondering if AI is about to totally wipe out their job by 2026. Well, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're cutting straight through all that hype. We're going to map out exactly which coding jobs are genuinely vulnerable and, more importantly, which ones are about to make you incredibly valuable. So let's just address the elephant in the room. The big question we hear every single day is, will AI replace developers? It's absolutely what everyone is so anxious about. But you know what? We need to pivot away from this right now because it's just a fundamentally flawed premise. Asking if AI will replace developers is just this one giant category, that's simply the wrong question. Actually, the total number of software jobs is holding up just fine. The right question we should be asking is, which specific roles will AI replace? Because behind the scenes, AI is quietly gutting very specific roles while simultaneously making others the absolute hardest jobs in tech to fill. Section 1. The reality. Roles at high risk. Okay, let's get into it. Based on current market reporting, looking ahead to 2026, the highest exposure hits junior and mid-level front-end work. Right behind that is QA and test automation. And this is crazy. This specialty is being absorbed by AI so incredibly fast that QA teams that used to run with 5 engineers, yeah, they're now running with just one person overseeing the AI. Oh, and add to that basic backend CRUD work, the standard plumbing and admin tooling. To really drive this vulnerability home, look at this. 35 to 50%. That is a massive chunk of routine React, CSS, and JavaScript that AI assistants are already handling entirely on their own today. 35 to 50%, that's huge. So here's the bottom line. It's not the stack, it's the routine. Whether you're working on the front end or the back end, if your work is routine, well-documented, and pattern-based, well, you're competing with a robot that doesn't need coffee breaks. That kind of plumbing is increasingly being generated by AI, not handwritten by us.
Section 2. The opportunity. The hiring boom.
But wait, here's where things get exciting. Across a massive survey of 39,000 employers, AI skills have emerged as the absolute hardest skills to hire for on Earth right now. Literally, for every one qualified candidate out there, there are 3 open AI roles just waiting to be filled. I mean, talk about incredible career leverage. And it's actually not just pure AI roles either. Security engineering postings have jumped a staggering 120% year over year. Why? Because AI speeds up cyber attacks, so companies desperately need human beings who understand AI attack vectors. Meanwhile, cloud and DevOps engineers are riding this massive $700 billion data center build-out. They literally cannot hire fast enough for this stuff. So where exactly does this leave traditional backend and full-stack engineers? Well, it creates what we are calling the new developer. This is a professional whose true value lies in judgment, architecture, systems design, and orchestrating AI, rather than just, writing boilerplate code. Backend engineers who can design systems at scale, own the data, and integrate LLM APIs, they are being actively hunted right now. The role isn't dying, the definition is just moving up a level.
Which brings us to a final, pretty crucial question. Ask yourself, are you producing routine code, or are you orchestrating the AI that does? The core career strategy for 2026 isn't about frantically switching from front-end to back-end. Nope. It's to climb one level above the code, on whichever side you already sit. Think about where your daily work falls right now, and start architecting your way